You excited to meet my parents?
I am, but also nervous. I feel like this is a big deal.
Oh, don't worry about it. You're gonna be fine. My parents are super laid back.
Wait, you wearing your tie?
Oh, it's not a big deal.
Should we go back home so I can change? Like, how fancy is this dinner? Like, this is a really nice neighborhood.
No, you look great.
Okay, but if they say something about my outfit, then you're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Deal. Hey Jenny, how's it going? Long time no see.
I actually go by Lion now.
Okay. Lion, I'd like to introduce you to my girlfriend Serenity.
What happened to Clarissa?
I told you we broke up almost a year ago.
Mom's not gonna be happy.
Oh, she's just kidding. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Ross, darling!
Hi, Mom.
Oh.
Mom, this is Serenity. Serenity, this is my mom, Helen.
Hi, it's so lovely to meet you, Helen.
Oh, I don't do handshakes. And please, call me Mrs. Liverpool. Lion, dinner will be ready shortly. Please finish up out there.
Why didn't you tell me that your family was rich?
I don't know, I guess it just never came up.
Ross, my boy, great to see you. How's the new album coming along?
Oh, well, it's still going. I've got a few more songs to work out, but you know, I'm making some good progress.
Anything you're ready to share? Love to hear you tickle the old ivories.
Oh, yes, please play something for us. You know how much I love Clarissa's song. And speaking of Clarissa, I just saw her mother yesterday. She said Clarissa's in a shambles over the breakup.
Oh, I'm sure she's in shambles, all right. I mean, I just saw a picture of her on Instagram making out with a guy on a yacht in Greece, but she's in shambles. Plus, I'd rather play something new I've been working on, if that's all right. Something I've been working on in the past few days. Living room?
Don't touch anything.
What did you say your name was again?
I didn't, but it's Serenity.
Ah. What's your real name?
Shh. Ross is about to play.
Excuse me, how would you like your uni prepared?
Uni?
Sea urchin?
Is that some kind of thing that rich people eat? Oh, the normal way, I guess.
It's been a few months, it's pretty clear I was searching my whole life for you, dear. Met you at a bar in Silver Lake, LA.
No, what is this crap about meeting a girl in a bar? Come on, Ross, you are much better than this. Will you please just play Clarissa's song? It's so sweet and romantic.
No, Mom, I am so tired of you talking down to me. I mean, I am a true artist. Why don't you ever give Lion out there a hard time with the crap that she's making on the front lawn?
I will have you know that Lion just sold one of her finger paintings on TikTok for $500K. How much do you expect to make with a song about picking up some Euro trash who don't even know how to dress themselves?
Stop everything! I've done it again. I've created another masterpiece. Are you ready? Wait for it. Bam!
Oh, it's splendid, Angel. Don't you think so? Would you say your name was again? Chastity?
It's Serenity. Then, yeah, it's something. All right, it is.
It's a self-portrait. I just finished a live and I sold it to this guy in San Diego. I'm gonna need to borrow the plane so I can deliver it in person.
You guys have a plane.
Of course we have a plane. You think you're so fancy with your nondescript European accent, but let me tell you something about traffic. It can take like 3 hours to get to San Diego. 3 hours. I don't know what the conversion for that is in the metric system, but it's like really long.
Okay, sweetie, I'm gonna go get the keys to the plane. I guess we'll just have to cancel tonight's dinner. And sweetie, it was wonderful seeing you again. I can't wait to hear the whole album.
Oh, you shake hands.
Of course, doesn't everybody? It was such a pleasure to meet you, Serendipity. Come back anytime, but wear something a little less that.
Bye, Dad.
Well, that went well.
Yeah, you did not at all prepare me for what I was walking into.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm just used to it, I guess. I forget that my family can be a little intense.
A little.
Okay, a lot.
I did like the song though. And if you're up for it, I'd like to hear the rest.
I don't know. It's a little rough around the edges and it's not done yet.
I don't mind. I'd like to hear it.
Okay.
It's been a few months, but it's pretty clear I've been searching my whole life for you, dear. We met at a bar in Silver Lake, LA. I'm still writing the words to this part. You can help me if you find it in your heart.